Hi guys, today, I want to take you on a journey with me, as we window shop at Hobby Lobby store. As soon as I walked in, I am surrounded by colorful and vibrant fall decor supply, and it was hard to resist the allure of all the beautiful Christmas decoration materials. I started my window shopping expedition by browsing through the floral section. The shelves were filled with different kinds of flowers. They have so many selections to choose from. I couldn't resist buying some beautiful flowers. I decided to get this beautiful magnolia flower. I think this will look beautiful in my entryway. Next, I moved on to the pots area. Oh my gosh, they look so beautiful. There were so many cute and unique pots that I couldn't resist buying some for my magnolia flower I decided to get. This one would be the perfect pot for the magnolia I get. As I walked further, I saw some 50% off wall decor pictures. It was so fascinating to see these beautiful creations made real before our eyes. And wow, it's just August and they already have Christmas decorations display. Looking at this, I am excited to try out some new Christmas decor theme ideas. I got inspiration from the many tutorials available online, and it was going to be a fun and exciting DIY project. The store also had many plants, fun crafting kits, such as paper dolls, play kitchens, and art supplies. These kits were perfect for kids and adults who love to create and have fun. In the end, I spent a lot of time window shopping at Hobby Lobby store. And we were so impressed by all the amazing crafting supplies available. I picked up some amazing crafting ideas and I can't wait to try them out. It was a great and fulfilling experience, and we will definitely be back to explore more.